You already know. I'm about to bring that heat today. We got some smothered chicken thighs. Hope you got your taste buds ready. Let's get to it. It's JB Sutton Hands. I want to start with our chicken thighs. I already washed them. Usually I leave this fat on and this extra skin. We're gonna clean these up just a little bit. Take this excess fat off right here. Just a little bit of this skin. Not too much of the skin, because it's gonna draw it when you cook it. So I'm gonna cut about that much off. With a nice sharp knife. Same thing with this other one. I like chicken thighs though, real cheap compared to wings, especially nowadays. Man, price of everything just shot up. Try to be as cheap as I can, but we'll add a lot of flavor to this with the seasoning. You know. All right, now we got that done. We're gonna work on our seasoning. Got a couple spices already lined up. We'll start with that Greek seasoning. Take the corner of that. Some onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder, some blackening seasoning from Walmart, rather than Walmart. Some paprika, some pepper, and some salt. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to this to make it easy to rub on. And a little bit of water. We'll get some nice little stir right quick. See this real thick, like it's not runny. That's what we want. It's not too runny. We're just gonna work these into the thighs. I'll make sure you get the inside and out of them. Inside and outside. Let's get that season all over it, you know. Make sure you get that season deep in that, you know. Just want to massage that in. Got our pan nice hot, and I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna add some butter to the pan. A little clumsy today, huh? Got on medium heat. What we want to do is we want to just brown the outside of the skin, get the skin nice and crispy on the chicken thighs. Let that butter melt. We're gonna add our chicken thighs right to this butter. We're gonna put the skin down first. Let that butter melt a little bit. Put the skin down. Go right in the pan. Right. Gonna let these cook a little bit on both sides. Like I said, let that skin get nice and crispy. Now let's flip these over and let the other side cook. Oh yeah, see, nice and crispy. Not worrying about the inside getting done. Gonna pop these in the oven. Like I said, you just want to get the skin real crispy. Oh, that's looking nice already. All right, now that these have been cooking for a little bit, I got both sides nice and crispy, as much as I could. You're gonna take these off. Just gonna set them to the side. So I went ahead and removed the oil that was in the pan to this bowl. I want to keep that. I'm gonna use a little bit of that oil. You know what I say about that? A little bit of seasoning in that pan. That's flavor. So we're gonna add a cup of heavy whipping cream. So turn your eye down a little bit. All right. Then we'll add a handful of spinach right to this. We're gonna come over the top of this with like a tablespoon of the oil we just separated. But you don't want to get in any of that burnt seasoning. Just drizzle it over the top. That's how we're gonna season the spinach. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Get a little greedy. We're gonna let that cook down for just a little bit. And then we're gonna add some fresh lemon juice. Oh, watch out for that seed. So you can see the spinach is reduced down a little bit. Now we're gonna add our chicken thighs right to this. I went ahead and preheat the oven to 365. Just put them right on top of this. The lemon, y'all, it just, you can smell that. So much aroma. So much aroma. We just pour this little excess juice right on there. Spread these out, you know, give them a little room. Give them a little room to cook. We're gonna put this right in about 20 to 25 minutes. Let the chicken get all the way done cooking. Have a look at this. I like to serve it over a little bit of rice. You can see that cream sauce acts like a little gravy. Yeah, it smells so good. Just open this chicken up. Get that skin crispy, just how we want it. Ooh. Yeah. Taste this. That skin is so delicious. Now lemon really adds that little pop to it at the end. Man, that's delicious. Like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please let me know what you think about this. It's great hitter right here. JB Sutton Hands.